Family members and JAC claim body of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School from Jennings morgue to perform her last rites at Harao Road. Fifth batch of Manipur Rifles IRB CP followers male recruits perform passing out parade. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren says law violators will not be spared. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserts neither government is influenced nor it can be influenced by any force to suppress truth behind recent girl student death case. Ban on sand mining and quarrying activities on rivers of Manipur imposed by High Court of Manipur brings flights to labourers whose livelihood depends on such activities. And Horticulture Minister T.H. Shyamkumar encourages self-help groups to set up nurseries and prepare tree saplings, assuring government will purchase the same. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Family members and JAC claimed the body of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School from Jennings morgue in Porompat to perform her last rites in Harao Road in Imphal East today. JAC and family members along with many people carried out a mass rally passing through Porompat, Ayangpali Road, Kongba and Singtamay towards the school hostel in Kanchipur. Police personnel maintained a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents. However, intense scuffles occurred between the police and the public who tried to enter the school hostel to offer their tributes to the deceased student. Additional security forces rushed to the spot to contain the situation. Only the JAC and family members were allowed to enter the hostel premise. fifth batch of Manipur Rifles IRB CP followers male recruits perform passing out parade. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren says law violators will not be spared.
Followers of deployed in their units.
Please. Thank you. Please, no. Thank you. Okay. So that's it. Okay.
परमात्मा की real followers of deployed in their units.
Please. Thank you. Please, no. Thank you. Okay. So that's it. Okay.
परमात्मा की real followers of deployed in their units.
Please. Thank you. Please, no. Thank you. Okay. So that's it. Okay.
Expressing grief over the recent death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School in Kanchipur, Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that no force ever pressurized the government to suppress the truth behind the incident, nor will such force ever exist. Biren assured that the state government is committed to unearth the truth of the incident and to give befitting punishment to any culprits involved, stating that details of investigations carried out by an investigating agency or the police cannot be published on media on daily basis. Chief Minister Biren assured that the government is trying its best to solve the death mystery at the earliest.
Government full alert investigating agency or police or government thickly before Rumi Kudi Kapara, Adu Pange, Adu Tawina, Highway Away. She got to go to Namana, Vintorana, then Mana, Hana never get caught with government like it. And I have government that Mana never can never get pressure, people should like it, even a little bit. Even other restricted of the government. But Miss Nagi, Nihashida, or Nishishida. Kari mo hai budumai koi sabsana group uto halaga tikan halaga mara lai kusin sabsana dali piwa hai budo abu hensili sabsana leng raba commitment.
The recent ban imposed by the High Court of Manipur on sand mining and quarrying activities on rivers of Manipur has worried many laborers whose livelihood depend on such activities. A report in this regard.
People whose livelihood depend on sand mining and quarrying activities today protested by chanting various slogans in condemnation of the recent ban imposed by the High Court of Manipur on sand mining and quarrying activities on rivers of Manipur. Residents on both sides of Segmai River bank, 9 villages beyond the Kwerengai Bridge and Kanto, where the Lemakung River flows, stacked protest made against the ban imposed. Heated confrontation occurred between police and sand miners of the 9 villages at Kwerengai Bridge as they marched chanting various slogans demanding revocation of the ban imposed by the High Court of Manipur and urging relevant authorities not to snatch away their livelihood. Youth Development Club Kanto along with Kanto Awanglekai Development Organization also staged protest demonstration at Kanto Kulen Awanglekai Community Hall in Segmai constituency today. The protesters stormed at the residence of Segmai MLA and submitted a memorandum.
Nomagi akhoi sagadaba akhoi hadi saradu akhoi thabasi chudrabanina akhoi hadi madugi hingnabi lambidu akhoi sakhawji thadat pere masi thingba targadi akhoi ji hadi akhoi thanda sijro haiba chap mane
mayam gidi hoi sentok lambi atay leramba yai akhoi kanto sigidi turen sin mapan sida laibani turen sida loina sujaraga turen da hingjaba mi wai kaktani turen dagi porako paisa sina nongmagi halakpada cheng leugani injang napi blok jar puna mang loina punari bungatani aduna hojiti turen sida kumdrabani na mayam awa bisda loina mayong nare sada bana kungai mi yawnare skun chatta bhau yawnare amaromda
UK Road Tata 407 owners and drivers union also condemned the High Court's order. They appeal to let them resume work without further delay.
Machinery singdi idea rigai di masidi tawidabana phayena khali simisina imaibel singna turienda karida akogi niktana khotana tawbujingdo aduna Segmai turen ising nei halakpa haisi Segmai turen da imai ben singna nikpana nei henba nate Segmai turen da achoba pham tawraga leiriba potuk machine duna thadrak pa ising duna nei bani Segmai turen dagi imai bel singna nikpana Segmai turen ising nei henba sungam.
The situation calls the state government to act wise in ensuring protection of rivers without snatching away the livelihood of the laborers. With camera person Vishwajit Namarakpam, this is Ketamim Premchan reporting for Impact News, Imphal.
Meanwhile, All Manipur Excavator, Local Truck Tipper Owners and Workers Association, Ameltoa has called for statewide ban from 4 a.m. till 6 p.m. on August 1st against the recent ban imposed by the High Court of Manipur on sand mining and quarrying activities on rivers of Manipur. In another press release, All India Trade Union Congress Manipur State Committee also extended full solidarity to the general strike. On the other hand, Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Suhail Akhtar has assured that government is committed to relieve the plights facing sand miners and workers due to the recent ban imposed by the High Court of Manipur on sand mining and quarrying activities on rivers of Manipur. Speaking to media in this regard at All Secretariat Conference Hall this evening, Dr. Suhail Akhtar disclosed that a meeting chaired by Chief Minister Nongthom Biren and attended by ministers, MLAs, DCs, SPs and directors of various departments discussed on the issue at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. He stated that as government's first measure to ease their plights, Public Work Department will give temporary permit for 2 months to carry out sand mining and quarrying activities for certain quarry sites in consultation with Water Resources Department on submission of their mining plans. However, in such quarries, machinery shall be strictly prohibited. Dr. Suhail Akhtar also stated that a joint committee will be formed consisting of the Department of Textiles, Commerce, Industry, Forest and Environment and Water Resources to take up awareness program on the process and procedure of obtaining mining permit on August 3rd at Food Processing Center, Porompat at 11 a.m.
It will be assisted by the District Expert Appraisal Committee headed by the Water Resources Department. The applicants shall submit their applications for mining lease along with the mining plan prepared by the qualified registered mining planner for private patta lands for an area less than 5 hectares to the Directorate of Trade, Commerce and Industries. These proposals will be forwarded to the District Authority for environmental clearance. Such proposals which are found feasible shall be forwarded to the Director Environment, Government of Manipur for environmental clearance by the state level expert committee.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thaunawcham Shyamkumar urged various help groups of the state to set up nurseries and prepare tree saplings with the assurance of purchasing the same by the relevant department. He was addressing the attendees of a state-level workshop on 100 Days Impact Initiative Swasth SHG Parivar, government organized by Manipur Urban Development Agency at City Convention Center, Palace Compound today. He maintained that proper awareness should be given to the members of self-help groups regarding various benefits provided by the government. Minister Shyamkumar also suggested to present tree saplings instead of bouquets or badges during events and occasions as one of the measures to protect the environment. Mahot Commissioner M. Joy, IAS, State Health Agency CEO, and Vandana, IAS, Mahot Director, T.H. Harikumar, MMAS and Social Welfare Director, Uttam MCS also attended the event. Executive Engineer of PHED Division Bishnupur, L. Gokul Chandra inaugurated a Loktak reuse plastic selfie point made entirely of plastic bottles at Inland Water Transport Complex in Sendra today. The selfie point, sponsored by environmentalist Gitanjali Lashram Sanaucham from Sunusify, currently based in USA, and her companions, aim to curb plastic uses in the Loktak Lake. People also took out an anti-plastic drive from Sendra till Moirang Bazaar on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, L. Gokul Chandra urged the public to curb plastic uses to save the iconic Loktak Lake, expressing apprehension that plastic particles are often found inside fishes of the lake. He appealed to avoid throwing plastic waste into tributaries of the lake.
Plastic bottle asina ngasi tagi sahi chamri changwa gi matungda decompose tawrakpa matamda tunggi mironda aikoi isa issue singna loktak asida ising loktak asigi ising sijinaruba mafam asidagi nga chak pharaga charuba matamda aikoi mioiba aikoi su laina kayamok yamna sathiraba laina mayam ama mayok naba yabagi bhibam lakpa asigumba mayam asi nengdadi Manipur gi mayam singna loktak pat asida yarikai plastic ki potlam langthabiganu.
Education Minister Thokchum Radheshyam has asserted that a cheerful school environment is crucial to make students happy and healthy. He was addressing the valedictory event of fortnight Happiness Utsav held under the flagship program of Delhi government at Sarvodaya Bal Vidyalaya in Vinod Nagar, New Delhi West. He maintained that both family support and cordial classroom atmosphere are essential for the success and well-being of students. The event was held from July 16 till 30. The Education Minister also interacted with students of the school on the occasion. Students of Hali English School at Soibam Laikai in Imphal East District carried out protest demonstration against non-disclosure of the inquiry report on marks misallocation in HSLC examination 2018 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur Boston today. The protest was carried out under the initiative of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam. Protesting students drew the attention of the Education Minister to ensure that the report is disclosed and to take measures to prevent such rampant misconducts of BOSIM in the future. Students of Heritage Convent, Odipok, Pari Imom Sindam Sang, Langjing, Regular English School, Kwakaithil, Vale Academy, Konjing Laikai, Imphal Public School, Kanchipur, Manipur Standard English School, Temple of Learning, Kanchipur, and SCM Boarding School, Singjumai also staged sit-ins condemning the same.
Asigumlaba thawdo ase mamangda kaya marum thokre ngasi makso adum thokle adubu achumbagi mammi di iwu ude maram asina BOCM gi asigumlaba amodagi marak asida aikoi ICS LC exam ase bigadaba ta sengna kijare maram asina education minister na BOCM gi asigum basoiba aranba ase chumthok piraga chhatra sing amadi laibak miyam pumna makta achum aran ase khangan biyo makhata na desamna changchilakpa khongjing khuding makta aikoi su saruk yagan.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on protests against last evening's bomb blast at Thangmaiban Hijam Dewan Laikai. We'll be right back after the break. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. People staged protest meet against last night's bomb blast near the gate of Ai Mitai workshop at Thangmaiban Hijam Dewan Laikai under Lamphal Police Station, which injured 3 persons including 2 women. Myra Paibis and people in the area took part in the protest meet carried under the initiative of Thangmaiban Youth Club and Peace and Humanity Labour Youths Organization Philo. One protester, Laishram Laibaklai, condemned the incident which has created fear, psychosis and panic to people in the area. She demanded clarification for carrying out such untoward conduct in a residential area. Various placards condemning the incident were displayed during the protest meet.
Gari si ang kung na chapa mafam ni harba adu chu mathakta nangi pung 8 haiba sidi akhoi chaba thakpa gi chathok chachin leithok leichin chatliba mafam ne habu jaga ne matam do si matam sida sumaina thoganing daba thokdo hai ngarang mukta yam tin so e kasu khangja daba misam mi injang leiruga lakpo du sokku di laibak thibani dana adu matam du nong kitang tabagi da magi yam sokta bai wane ba adu bu sumaina misam thokpa jaga sida di tahon de karam group na story beno lanai gubla adagi naharon group la kari group no khangde taholiba thobi ba group che mayam akhoi gi mamang sidang tang di sengdok haningi matung da su amuhana sigum thabak che tawbiganu hai.
A team of Thambal Commando under the supervision of SP Thoubal District Police Dr. S. Ibomcha apprehended one alleged self-styled colonel of proscribed UNLF today. The team, led by additional SP Operations Sachidanand Soibam and DSP Commando Okramcha Wangkhomba, arrested the suspect from Hairok Bazaar this afternoon around 2. The arrested person is identified as 53-year-old Saikhom Sarat Singh alias Tomcho, son of late S. Ibohal from Hairok Part 2 Bazaar. Roadside Vendors Welfare Association, Khwairamband Market has strongly condemned the alleged attempt by some individuals to form a union on the northern part of the temporary market without its consent. Speaking to media at the temporary market today, executive member of the association, S. Bilasini, stated that some individuals were allowed to carry out wholesale business on the northern side of the market. She stated that efforts to form a new union over the existing association will not be accepted. Taking part in the press meet, President of Muslim minority and member of the association, Zano Begum, urged those concerned not to create disunity among vendors of the market by forming a separate union. She asserted that approval will not be granted to form another union in the temporary market.
अखोई रोडसाइड स्ट्रीट वेंडर हाइबसिना एरिया से अखोइना कोलगा लाकपनी सरकार का मायुकनदना पुलिस का लाठी चार चाइनदना यामना तमथीना थेंगनरबा मतुंगदा एरिया सिदा अखोई रोडसाइड स्ट्रीट वेंडर हाइसे फमजरकपनी तम खरा लेरगा अखोई होनसेन तौजगे हाइबा इचा खरा थोगलकपदगी होनसेन सि तौहलखिबनी होनसेन सिसु अखोइगी मखादनी तौरिबसे हुजि अखोइगी मथक्ता कनागुंबा खरा थोगागा अखोइदगी तुखाइरगे यूनियन अमा सेमगे हाइबसे स्ट्रीट वेंडर द लेरिबा अखोइना अजाबा सुपि पिबंगमोय एरिया सिदा मखोइ सुचंग यारोय मफम जगह सिदगी मखोई हंदोखिदबा तारगदी रोडसाइड स्ट्रीट वेंडर द लेरिबा मेंबर खुदिंगमका अखोइगा मखोइगा लांथेंगना.
District level unique disabled identify card and digital certificate was launched at Tamenglong district yesterday. Chief Medical Officer of the district in association with State Social Welfare Department distributed unique disabled identify cards and digital certificates to disabled persons of the district on the occasion. The cards will be distributed to beneficiaries in other districts of the state in the near future. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Family members and JEC claim body of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School from Jennings Morgue to perform her last rites at Harao Road. Fifth batch of Manipur Rifles IRB CP followers male recruits perform passing out parade. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren says law violators will not be spared. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserts neither government is influenced nor it can be influenced by any force to suppress truth behind recent girl student death case. Ban on sand mining and quarrying activities on rivers of Manipur imposed by High Court of Manipur brings plights to laborers whose livelihood depends on such activities. And Horticulture Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar encourages self-help groups to set up nurseries and prepare tree saplings, assuring government will purchase the same.